matter is entitled Robert J. Weber versus Furniture Mattress Warehouse. Are you Robert Weber?
Yes, sir, I am.
And I've got Carrie Kling.
Yes,
Pardon?
sir. Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
All right. All right, this is a claim for $2,331. Mr. Weber bought a mattress and some furniture from the mattress warehouse, and he's not satisfied with it. Ms. Kling has filed a response saying he never contacted us and made any complaint regarding this. And so we had no opportunity to address the issue.
I did contact
All right,
you.
well, just a minute, just a minute. All right, I think maybe he went out to the
Yes, he did.
counter, all right.
Yep.
Did I give you the file?
I'll collect it later.
Here it is. All right, first of all, I want you to both raise your right hand. Did I do this already?
No,
We
it's-
both swear
no, Your
or
Honor.
affirm any testimony you're about to give here will be true to the best of your knowledge and belief.
Yes, sir.
I do.
All right, and you heard what I said about how small claims works. There's no appeal. Any decision made here today is final. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Weber, why do you believe they owe you $2,331.99?
Why do what?
Why do you believe they owe you that money?
Because I want him to take the furniture back,
Why?
because it's not a match set. He sent me the wrong bed, and the first day that they set it up, the mattress was 32 inches off of the floor, and who in the hell gets in a 32-inch bed every night? I tried to sleep on it, and the fact that I've been hosed so bad with it, I can't sleep in there. I tried it, and I don't use it.
All right, so you want them to give you your money back?
And yes, and take the furniture back. It's not used. If he claims it's used, then he sent me used stuff.
Why is it not used?
Pardon?
Why isn't it used?
I said, if he claims it's used.
Okay, well, you used it, didn't you?
I slept on it. I tried to sleep on it 4 times and it didn't work.
All right, Ms. Kling, what's your position?
Your Honor, this is the first I am even hearing of this. I was honestly baffled when I got this court hearing. I never heard anything about this. And if we would have delivered a bedroom group that did not match, my delivery guys would have contacted me and said something. But I mean, yeah, this is the first I've heard of it. I'm sorry. I don't really have anything to say.
All right, I don't have a clear copy of the contract. What did he order?
Oh, he ordered a bedroom suit. So he got a queen bed, a queen box spring, a chest, a nightstand, a dresser, and a mirror. And it was a Salt Creek C8311. It's all a matching set. And actually, I mean, he can look on the back of his furniture. Had he contacted us, I would have been more than happy to share this information. But on the back of all the furniture, there is stickers, and it says exactly the model number of the set. So, I mean, those stickers would all match for the same model.
All right, so there's a box spring and a mattress. Did you order a box spring and a mattress?
I ordered the whole works.
All right, so she's saying we sent you exactly what you ordered.
No, he did not send me exactly what I ordered. He admitted that I had the wrong bed. I should have had a low profile bed. And I don't have. I have a high backboard on the bed.
All right, well, who is he?
I don't know who the guy was on the phone at the store.
All right, so and you're saying the furniture doesn't match?
No, it does not match.
Oh, so the pieces don't match each other?
No, they don't.
Why not?
One is a gray tone, the other is a sand tone, and the other is a brown tone.
So there are the three
There's
pieces.
three different colors in there.
All right, so the bed frame is one color, the dresser is one color, and the nightstand is another color?
Yes, and the chest of drawers is a different. The chest of drawers and the nightstand are the closest two items there are.
Now, the mattress, we don't know whether you like or dislike. What you
Pardon?
don't, the mattress is too high up?
No, they came and lowered that.
Okay. So what's wrong with the mattress and the box spring?
I didn't say anything was wrong with them.
All right. So you wish to keep the mattress and the box spring?
No, I don't want to keep nothing. I want it all to go back.
Your Honor, this goes back 8 months if you look when it was ordered and delivered. I mean, we don't sell used furniture. I do not believe it does not match at all. I mean, we get it off the truck. We have to unbox everything to load in our truck to actually go deliver to the houses. So for it not to match, and then if for some reason it didn't match, number one, my guys would have said something. Number two, he should have contacted us as soon as possible and told us it did not match, and we had never heard anything.
Well, we got some problems. I don't have pictures of it.
Right.
I don't have a copy of he says it doesn't match.
I say it don't match.
All right, well, okay, she says it does match.
Well, it don't.
All right, well,
And
you're the plaintiff. You have the burden of proving the case. Now, let me ask you another question. Do you have a warranty that says if you don't like it, they'll give you your money
no,
back?
I don't have nothing. I don't even have a receipt anymore. That disappeared, plus stuff other disappeared since this has started.
Well, she says you waited 8 months to file this lawsuit.
Yes, I did, because I didn't know what to do. I'm 93 years old. And I should have not been buying it myself to begin with.
This, I don't know why this is. I've had a lot of furniture stored.
The whole thing, to me, looks like I went in. I was supposed to get it within a week from the time I bought it. I went in after 5 weeks. And I said, can I get my money back? She said, yes, but can we have another week? And I gave them another week. And they put this stuff together. And it is not a matching set.
Your Honor, I would like to answer to that. And I have proof, which I could prove if I need to. But when we ordered the bedroom suit, the company that we ordered it from, they had the bed and the dresser in their warehouse. So we got that on our one shipment on a Friday. And then the rest of it, and I do remember speaking to him, and I had told him, I said, well, it's going to be another week. And I even offered at that time, I said, we are more than happy to bring your bed out to you to get you set up so you have a mattress and everything. And once the other stuff comes in, we will be more than happy to come out and give you the rest of your merchandise. He absolutely said no to that and said, well, when it all just comes in, you can just come and deliver it. And I said, okay, no problem at all. And so that's what we did. And by the way, we delivered it on February 17th and the order was January 28th. So it wasn't 5 weeks.
The mistake I made was paying for it before I got it.
Well, it was ordered on January 17th, January 28th, came February 17th. That's 20 days. 3 days in January and 20 days after you ordered it, you got it. That's 4 weeks, I guess, or 3
Well, it was
weeks.
longer than 20 days.
You ordered it on January 28th, and delivered on February 17th. That's 20 days. But you did tell me something. The bed and the dresser were in one lot, and the other things came in a separate lot. So the bed and the dresser were in the warehouse. They had to order other stuff. And it came separately several weeks later.
A week later.
All right.
Yeah, it happens like that all the time. It just depends on when there's third parties involved, when their truck gets to the warehouse to deliver again. So happens all the time.
And another thing that happened, I put my clothes in the chest of drawers. And I went to get a t-shirt. It stunk so bad, I had to do all the clothes in that chest of drawers over, and it's never been put back in. They sprayed it with something and I don't know what it was.
Your Honor, if we would have been notified and he had this issue, we would have went out 8 months ago. I mean, I don't know. I mean, what we can do. It's 8 months old. We don't sell used furniture, and we never heard from him that it didn't match, which I don't believe it.
The furniture
believe it
isn't
matches.
used, it's been sitting there.
Did you offer, does this furniture come with a warranty?
The warranty, I don't have a year manufactured warranty. Like if something was broke or something like that, that's what the warranty is, but nothing's broke.
So he said you went back out and lowered the bed.
And Your Honor, that may be because when people buy box springs and they buy a headboard and footboard and rails, a lot of times they don't know with the mattress if it's going to set too high. So there's two different type of box springs. There's a 9-inch and then there's a low profile, which is a 4.5-inch. So our guys delivered it. He called back, said it was setting too high. So we drove back out there
I did not order that bed. That bed was, I was supposed to get the bed that was on the floor, a low profile.
All right, so did they come out and give you a low profile box spring?
They had to come out and do better than that. They had to get a 4-inch box springs and stuff to get it down so I could sit on it.
When was that?
Oh, hell, I don't remember.
All right, well, so they came out. Did you say, hey, this furniture doesn't match, I want my money back? Or did you come out
I
and let
should
them?
have, but I wasn't smart enough to do it that way.
Yes, and so you don't get any
I'm
money.
sorry that I got involved with them to begin with.
Well, we've had a lot of that today.
And if they get by with it, look what they're gonna do to the rest of the people, and the rest of their career and business.
No,
All
we
right.
do make
All
our
right,
customers.
stop, you know. Okay, the plaintiff has the burden of proof. And not the defendant, the plaintiff has to prove beyond a preponderance of the evidence that his claim is valid. He says it doesn't match. I don't have a picture, I don't have anything for him to say it doesn't match. It's his eye, he looks at it, it doesn't match. plaintiff says we sold him exactly what he ordered. And all the pieces have the same lot number and they're part of a set. He didn't tell us anything for 8 months until he sued us. We sent people to his house.
I had to find out what to do. I went to 2 law firms, and that's when they told me to come to small claims court.
All right. Well, they went to your house.
Pardon?
They went to your house to fix the mattress and put a lower profile box spring on it. And you didn't say, hey, by the way, these pieces don't match. I
Well,
want
they
my,
weren't the boss, and they weren't people that wanted to listen to anything I had to say.
well, you haven't prevailed in your case.
Well,
Even if I call it a tie, 50% to you and 50% to them, that's not enough. So I find for the defendant, you waited 8 months to complain. You had an opportunity to complain and didn't. You never gave them a chance to remedy it. And all I have is your eyewitness eyeball testimony that it doesn't match. I don't have a picture of it. I haven't seen it. You don't think it matches?
you know, Your Honor, what good would it do to complain when you tell them the bed's wrong, nothing's done? They had all that time to get it correct to begin with and didn't get it correct.
Well, I
How
thought they,
am I going to go back and get it correct? I don't owe them money. They
No.
wanted the money. I gave them the money the day that we made the deal. And another thing, the receipt that he signed and is in this letter is not the receipt that I signed.
well, you don't have the receipt that you signed.
I got one here, a picture of it. Of their receipt.
All right, let me see it.
You want to see it?
Yeah, did you file a copy of that?
No, I did, Your Honor.
That is not the receipt that I got. That was made up since he's gotten the word from small claims court.
Well, she filed a receipt, invoice number 5539. That's this one. She filed a copy of it.
Yes.
So it's the same one that she has. Yeah, you got this receipt with their answer. So was that the receipt that was prepared in January or was it prepared in?
No, it was prepared probably 3 weeks ago or 4 weeks ago before they sent it to me.
What do you
No,
say to
you're-
that, Ms. Plain?
No, Your Honor, I actually had to, when we got the court date appearance, I had to search in my invoices to find his invoice. And I found it. It was January 28th, this exact receipt. And that would have been the copy of the receipt that he would have given. It would have been a yellow copy.
All right, we'll call this a tie. And a tie goes to the defendant.
Well, I hope he goes bankrupt. That's what I hope. Anybody that can get by with stuff like this, it's time something's done about it.
Well, you filed this
And
action.
I'm the dumb one. I didn't complain right away.
Yes, that is a factor.
It is a big factor and it's a problem.
All
But I
right,
want the world to know what a corrupt outfit it is.
all right.
And I can't put it in the paper because then I get sued.
All right, you go out and the clerk will give you a copy of this receipt. Meet the clerk out at the counter. All right, sir, you're good to go. Ms. Kling, you're free to go.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You have to speak up.
Yes, go out to the counter and the lady will give you a copy of the order.
Thank you.
All right. At least the mattress is all right.